In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless workflow using Make and Typeform to enhance your data collection and automation processes. Let's dive in step by step to make sure you have everything you need to successfully set up your scenario. First things first, let's head over to the Make dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where all the magic begins. It's the hub where you can manage and create your scenarios. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the dashboard. When you're ready, look for the option labeled Create Scenario and give it a click. Moving forward, you'll need to type in Typeform to locate the specific application we want to work with. Make sure you spell it correctly to ensure the platform pulls up the right tool. After entering Typeform, click on it to select it as the application will integrate. This step is essential to connect your Typeform account with Make. Next, we want to get a response file from Typeform. This allows us to access collected responses seamlessly. Look for the Get a Response File option and click it to proceed. This step sets the stage for retrieving data that we can manipulate and analyze later on. Now it's time to create a connection. This is a crucial step that binds your Typeform account to Make, facilitating the flow of information between the two platforms. Clicking on Create a Connection gives your account permission to exchange data securely. When prompted, follow the instructions to complete the connection setup. Once connected, take a moment to click on the Save button to ensure all your previous steps and inputs are preserved. This is a good habit to get into whenever you complete critical steps in the setup process. If the permissions window appears, don't hesitate to click on Accept Permission. This action grants Make the necessary access to your Typeform account, allowing for smooth data transactions. We're now getting closer to the finish line. The next area of focus is identifying the correct URL or IDs for your forms. Clicking on URL IDs will help you pinpoint what's needed. Select IDs from the example provided to understand the format expected by Make. This is a vital detail required for your scenario to function correctly. Go ahead and fill in any necessary blank fields with the corresponding information from your Typeform account. This might include form IDs, your account name, or other pertinent details required by the system. Finally, remember to click on the Save button one last time to lock in your completed scenario. And there you have it, your workflow is now set up successfully. By following these steps, you've automated the interaction between Make and Typeform, streamlining your data handling processes significantly. Thank you for watching and